Hey from Umeå, the biggest city in northern Sweden, famous for Stig Larsson, the Northern Lights, plenty of snow, and an unusual quirk in the Swedish language. Let's check it out. And that means yes.
Here in Umeå, we say
And that means yes. How do you say yes? Teach me how to say it.
Say yes.
How do you say it? Yeah. Do you have to like that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
just if you have a mint in your mouth. It's like,
Okay.
but like, can you say it? Yeah.
No? You're not shocked or scared or something. That's just
No, I think maybe it's just an easy way to say it. You don't have to open your mouth and say ja. You can just.
What noise do you make if you are shocked about something?
Well, if I'm shocked, maybe I will go.
That sounded exactly the same as the other one.
No, it doesn't, because then I open my mouth like, and the other one is.
Okay. I remember the first time I talked to someone from northern Sweden and I was talking about myself, and I thought they were really impressed with everything I was saying because they kept going. But it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Well, I wasn't
I'm
very
sorry.
impressive
I'm sorry.
either. They were just, yeah.
The Swedish way.
The Swedish way.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for our research today. Have we learned something? I think the answer is most definitely